Hello again on TechNet channel, my name is Sally. This is the problem, power light blinks and PC won't turn on. To fix this, first remove the power jack. And then the battery. After this you will have to hold the power button for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's it. Now insert battery back into the laptop. Also put the power jack back in. If the laptop light don't turn yellow on, that may mean that the battery is totally discharged. We will just let it for a few seconds more. By the way, this is an old HP 550. Okay, this is taking too long, let's just try to start it. As you can see, it's booting on. Looks like this laptop is too old to fast boot, but this was the fix. Thanks for watching this, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.